Okay, so let's take a look at a few examples of how to simplify radicals using the properties of rational exponents. What we know is that when you have a radical symbol with an integer here, that becomes a fractional or a rational exponent for everything that's underneath the radical. We want to encase that in parentheses. Everything that's under the radical should have parentheses around it when we rewrite this. So we know that this is equal to 16 a to the 4th b to the 12th. All of that raised to the 1/4 power. All of that was under the 4th root. All of that is raised to the 1/4 power. When you have an exponent outside the parentheses of a product like this, which is what we're looking at, we've got one product with 3 individual powers essentially, we can, quote unquote, distribute that power to each of these individual powers. Distribute that exponent, should I say. We're distributing the exponent of 1/4 into each one of these 4 powers. So we can take this 1/4, we can bring it into the 16, a to the 4th, and b to the 12th. And what we get is 16 to the 1/4 power. We're getting a to the 4th to the 1/4. Powers of powers, or exponents of exponents, if you will, we multiply those, right? That's one of our properties of exponents. 4 times 1/4, if you need to do some margin work over on the side, 4 times 1/4, well that's 4 over 1 times 1 over 4. Multiply straight across, you get 4 over 4, which is 1. So we have a to the 1st power. The same thing can be done here with the b. We're multiplying 1/4 times 12. So we're doing 12 times 1/4, which is really 12 over 1 times 1 over 4, which is 12 over 4, which is 3. So we get b cubed. That's a 3. Smartboard's acting up a little bit. So what we need to really focus on at this point is, what do we have here? We've got 16 to the 1/4 power. Is 16 a product, or is 16 potentially a 4th power? Is it a perfect 4th, if you will? And it does happen to be. In this case, 16, don't give out on me now. 16 is 2 to the 4th power raised to the 1/4 power. 1/4 times 4, we had it up here before, that was equal to 1, right? So overall, this 16 to the 1/4 power even simplifies down to be 2, a b cubed. I'm going to stop the video now and recalibrate my smartboard.